Hello students, welcome back to e-learning session. In the last video session, we discussed about harmful microorganisms, then their capacity to cause a disease. Now in this video, we will be discussing about some actual name of some microorganisms which are causing some diseases which you all are familiar with. आप लोगों को पता है ये diseases, ठीक है? You might have heard of these diseases at some point of life, but we don't know which organism causes them and what actually are the symptoms and what is the treatment or preventive measure that can be taken. Okay, so now we are going to discuss that one. First disease that we are discussing here is tuberculosis, that means TB. Well known disease, you might have seen advertisements which are meant for awareness to the people. Like, what is this disease? What happens in this disease? People are showing difficulty in breathing. The lungs are the target of this bacteria. Okay, here causative agents we are discussing, here name of pathogen and the mode of transmission. Okay, so tuberculosis caused by a bacteria, name of the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculei. Mycobacterium tuberculei is the bacteria which is responsible for the growth of this tuberculosis, okay, for the spread of this disease. Alright, so that is why we need to learn this disease now. Mode of transmission is through air, it is an airborne disease. Then next one, measles. Okay, before going to measles, I forgot to tell about preventive measures and the what can be done to prevent this disease. Okay, so treatment, as far as treatment is concerned, there is no known treatment. Okay, like there is a treatment available in the form of medicines that is given, but vaccination is supposed to be the best one. Okay, because it is a bacterial disease, making vaccine is a lot much easier than making vaccine for a viral disease. Okay, so vaccination and keeping the person isolated, keeping the person infected isolated, because it is transmitted through air. Okay, so keep his clothes isolated, keep him at an isolated place is the best thing to do in case of tuberculosis, because the bacteria spreads. So next, measles. Measles actually was an epidemic. ठीक है, जो कोरोना वायरस अब अभी हमको पता है उससे ज़्यादा पावरफुल ये मीजल्स का वायरस कुछ सालों पहले आके गया है. ठीक है, मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट 25 लाख डेथ्स पर ईयर हैज ऑकर्ड ड्यू टू द एंट्री ऑफ वायरस मीजल्स. ओके, बट देयर इज अ वैक्सीन नाउ इट इज अवेलेबल कॉल्ड एज MMR वैक्सीन. ओके, वो MMR वैक्सीन है जो मीजल्स, मम्प्स और रूबेला ऐसे 3 डिसीज, ठीक है, जो तीनों डिसीज का कॉमन वो वैक्सीनेशन दिया जाता है. सो MMR वैक्सीन नाम की वैक्सीन अवेलेबल है इनके लिए. सो मीजल्स अभी पूरी तरह से कंट्रोल में है, रेयर है, एकदम रेयर. ठीक है, मीजल्स कॉज्ड बाय रूबियोला वायरस. रूबेला नहीं है ये, रूबेला एक दूसरा डिसीज है, रूबियोला वायरस. एंड बाय दिस नेम पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज कि रूबेला और ये सेम है क्या? नहीं, रूबेला और वायरस, रूबेला और मीजल्स ऑल्दो थोड़े से सिम्टम में सिमिलैरिटी बताते हैं, बट दोनों डिसीज थोड़े डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू एयर, राइट. देन चिकन पॉक्स, ये सबको पता है चिकन पॉक्स, बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज हैड अ स्ट्रोक ऑफ चिकन पॉक्स वंस इन लाइफ. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि डिसीज एक बार हो गया तो फिर दूसरी बार नहीं होगा. ठीक है, चिकन पॉक्स इज कॉज्ड बाय अ वायरस दैट इज वैरिसेला जोस्टर. वैरिसेला जोस्टर नाम का एक वायरस है, एयर से या कॉन्टैक्ट से स्प्रेड होता है. आपको पता है उसके सिम्टम्स, दैट इज द स्किन इज शोइंग ब्लिस्टर्स, or you can say outbulgings which is having a liquid, infectious liquid. Okay, so it is safe for the people who have once had chickenpox in their lifespan or has had a vaccination. So it is not contagious to them, but to everyone else it is contagious. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपके घर में किसी को चिकन पॉक्स हो गया इसका मतलब अभी सबको हो जाएगा. नॉट नेसेसरी. अगर किसी को ऑलरेडी हो गया है या फिर उन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन ले ली है तो उनको नहीं होगा. ओके, सो इट इज स्प्रेड थ्रू एयर एंड कॉन्टैक्ट. देन कॉलरा. कॉलरा इज एक्चुअली बैक्टीरियल डिसीज कॉज्ड बाय विब्रियो कॉलरी. कॉलरा और टाइफॉइड दोनों स्प्रेड होते हैं वाटर से कंटेमिनेटेड. ओके, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर बैक्टीरियल डिसीजेस. देन द टाइफॉइड इज कॉज्ड बाय सैल्मोनेला टाइफी Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. These are the name of the pathogens, exact disease causing pathogen, and they are both spread through contaminated water. If contaminated water enters in our body, then it leads to some symptoms. Okay, so these are some diseases and their positive agents. Two diseases are remained. Let us have a look at that. Okay, so two diseases remained: hepatitis A and malaria. Hepatitis A and hepatitis B are some series of diseases which are related with liver. Okay, it affects the liver. Hepatovirus is the name of virus which causes the disease hepatitis A, and it is also spread through water. The last but not the least is malaria. Malaria is a protozoal disease. We have discussed this clearly. Protozoa are the unicellular organisms, okay, which can cause a particular kind of disease. तो ये प्रोटोजोआ कौन सा प्रोटोजोआ है अभी? प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवेक्स इज द नेम ऑफ द पैथोजन विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉजिंग मलेरिया. मलेरिया इज ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू अ वेक्टर और कैरियर, और ये कैरियर कौन है? मॉस्किटो. यूजुअली इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट फीमेल एनाफिलिस मॉस्किटो, okay, female anopheles mosquito is responsible for causing this disease malaria, and this disease is spread due to unhealthy environment. यानी कि if water is allowed to stay at one place, if water is allowed to be stagnant at one place, if we allow water, rainwater to collect at one place, then it might be a suitable environment for female anopheles mosquito to lay eggs. Okay, and then when it transmits, when it breeds, okay, then it gets infected by Plasmodium vivax, and the Plasmodium vivax, as it is a protozoa, okay, it is transferred to the human, from which the female anopheles mosquito is going to suck blood, right? So it is transmitted through the mosquito. So these are some diseases which are disease causing microorganisms in humans. One is remained in this, the disease that is called anthrax. Anthrax is a disease caused by bacteria. Name of the bacteria, what is the name of the bacteria? This we have studied in 7th standard. Bacillus anthracis is the name of the bacteria, okay, and it was discovered by Robert Koch. This disease called as anthrax is a blood disease which can even lead to death, और इसको बोला जाता था Sorter's disease. If you remember, we have discussed this in 7th standard, okay, that Sorter's disease means disease which is caused when a sorter is sorting the threads, cleaning the burrs, or picking the unwanted threads or unhealthy threads out in the industries, textile industries. So it can get infected, the person or the worker. So it is one of the occupational hazard. Occupational hazard means at the place of occupation the person can get infected, okay. So this is about the common diseases which are caused by microorganisms in humans. In the next class we shall be discussing about some diseases caused by the plants, diseases caused by microorganisms in plants. All right, thank you.